Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Mangoes are called the king of fruits. Hello kids. Do you like mango? So let's start. At first, we draw the cutting part. Next, we start the drawing with curve. We draw the leaves. Of the mango, mangoes are a popular tropical fruit, known for their sweet and juicy flesh, and are widely enjoyed, especially during summer. Mangoes come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, with ripe mangoes typically displaying shades of yellow, green, or red. They are rich in vitamins and minerals, providing nutritional benefits alongside their delicious taste. Red color. Mangoes can be consumed fresh, used in various dishes like juices and shakes, or preserved as jams or pickles. Mango is the national fruit of India, and it is one of the most favorite fruits. Mango is a tropical fruit, that is, it grows well in the warm climate of the tropics. Mostly mangoes are oval, and the color of mango skin varies from green, yellow to red and green. A mango has one big seed, and the mango seed is inedible. Mango is termed as the king of all fruits, and we all love having mangoes. The mango tree grows in the hot and humid climate of the world. This tree is very tall in size and leaves are in colors of yellow, green, copper color, or purple. Green color. When advanced, the leafage attains a structure that is leather-like, shady or dark green in color, and silky. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye. Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. Now, we start the drawing. First, we draw a straight line. Next, parallelly, we draw another straight line. And join this too. Here, our roof drawing is completed. Now we draw two straight lines parallelly. And this is the wall of the house. Then we join two straight lines. And parallelly, we draw a big straight line. Next, we draw a rectangle shape to draw the door. Here, we draw a square shape to draw the window. Then, we divide it. Here, we draw a sun using circle shape. Now, it's time to coloring. We use red color to color the roof, the top of the house. A roof is the top cover of a building. That keeps the rain, snow, and sun out. It's like a big umbrella for your home. Roofs can be flat, pointy, or sloped. Some roofs even have windows, called dormers. The roof protects the house from the weather. This is yellow color. Here, we use yellow to color the wall of the house. Walls keep us safe inside the house. The walls hold up the roof. Walls can be painted many colors. We can put pictures and posters on the walls. Walls make our house into different rooms. Yellow color. Pink color. Blue color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Green color. Green color. Yellow color. Blue color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like.